of exploits, of everything that you can master and think of. My very good name is Christabel, and this is my YouTube channel, Doing Life with Chris. I'm home. This is home sweet home, my guys. This is where I was born and raised, and I am so super duper excited. On the 1st of January every single year we meet up as the Jeros family and we just have lunch together, we laugh together, we start the year together, we set the pace for the year together, and oh my goodness, it has been such a good tradition. Every time I come here I get so nostalgic. I live literally 40 minutes away from my parents' home, but I never get to visit them as often as I should. Actually, in the past year, I think I've just visited them like twice or thrice. Yeah, I know, it stinks. And that is something that I want to change in this coming year. I mean, God help me, I really want to visit my childhood home more often. That is one of my New Year resolutions. At least once a month, I should come and check on my folks and see how they're doing. You know, carry a few greens and mangoes and fruits and, you know, because that is what we town folks do. So happy New Year, guys! I'm so excited. It is past 1, so I want to feed the kids and then we'll pick this video up in a few. But happy New Year once more. We are so blessed to have witnessed the dawning of 2025. Alright guys, I want to show you around my mother's place. So here we're in the kitchen. We're here to do dishes. And my mother is, among other things, a caterer. So vitu zake za kazi ndio hizo huko juu. And yeah, because this is a shag's kitchen, it looks like so. Come closer. So yeah, this is my mother's kitchen. So here we have the fridge for the new year lunch. Go. I go. You don't want me here? Why? Huh? Cow. Oh, cow. Oh. Cups and plates for the catering business. Mom, have you subscribed to my channel? Huh? Kai, Nabii hana heshima kwao. Ndio kukule kama Dad, umesubscribe to my channel? Eh? Kai, do I have a channel? What do you mean, you people? I'm just subscribe. Mara ngapi? Yani niko hapa, I'm hustling for subscribers na kumbe nyinyi ndio mnaniangusha. We are walking towards my mother's outside kitchen. Here it is. It is just right off the main house. This is our bedroom. When I come here, this is where I sleep. I sleep next to the kitchen. To the two kitchens. I am sandwiched between the two kitchens. Stand there, Mama. I want to take a photo of this kitchen. Photo video. This is my mother's kitchen. Hapa tunapika kuku. Hii kuku madhe alisema tutaikula jioni. See? Alright, so that is our 3-stone kitchen. There's nothing much going on here. It's just a makeshift kitchen. Yes? Umeanguka? I don't think that's true. I don't think you're being very truthful. Every traditional home has this thing. Do you agree? This cupboard. Ni kama ilikuwa Kenya uniform hizo masiku, they had to do it. Mommy, wait for me there. And yeah, imagine, ebu angalieni. You guys, I've given my mom an earful because of this thing, like baking tray kitchen. Angalieni ni kama ina feed yangu wa kuku or something. Whew. I might carry it. And nimeona hii sufuria nikashangaa. Okay, first of all, it's so heavy. And then, I don't know what they were trying to mimic. I think they were trying to mimic a pressure cooker of some sort. Look, this is how you know you are in Shags. Calabash. Let me show you the animal farm that is my mother's farm. Chicken! Look, guys. Imetaga mayai. Kuna mayai 3 hapo, so we need to come pick them up. Alicia, I'll cook for you. Oh, here's another chicken. Coco. Are you laying an egg for Alicia? Are you? Okay. There's another. Oh, hii ni kuku. Mnajua kukomerera? We're gonna get chicks real soon. Right off the ramp are the pedigree cows. Let me tell you, this is Mbere, but no one has better cows than my mother, Yo. And these cows have been here since forever. How many years now?
I think since I was in class 4 class.
But not these particular cows. Like, she has changed them over time. These are, for the lack of a better word, these are new cows. These are not the cows that we were milking. This is the milking space right over here.
Milking bay.
The milking bay. Thank you. Na haka ni kakiti kenye tunakalianga. Tulikuwa tunakalia tukikamua. So unaketi hapa hivi. Let me show you. You my people, unajua mjui najua kukamua. Melissa na Fabian. So ng'ombe inaingia hapa. Here, this space. And then you just milk with the ndoo here. Ikigonga. Hey, mnapatana na Mrs. Njeru. So she has like 3 cows and they are so beautiful. Hizi mang'ombe ni tamu. Ha? They are beautiful. You don't see the beauty? So we are here in the sheds. Akona sheds mingi. She had 5 cows. Unfortunately, 2 died. Sindio? Yeah, 2 died out of a calcium deficiency. have names?
I don't know.
Okay, we don't know the names of the cows, but I'm sure they have names, though they are not tagged. All right, so right off the cow shed, there's a chicken coop over there, and there's another chicken coop down there, and there's another chicken coop right across over there. Okay, Bosco. Okay. Tommy and Rhino. Those are my mother's two dogs. They are not GSDs or anything. They are not Rottweilers. They are just Tommy and Bosco. The Boas and the... Zinaitangwa Boas and what? Sowers. Boas and sowers. The males and females, the breeders, in other words. So we have one, we have two, we have three, we have, I think this is a male, and then we have another mother here that is heavily pregnant. This one is going to get piglets anytime now. We started with the spirit, then we realized we just want the pig to mature. We just need money. Oh. See? Mbona kale ni keusi? There are more, so these are younger ones with their mother there. The piglets are separated after 2 months of exclusive breastfeeding. So these ones are not yet separated from their mommy. These ones have been separated from their mommy. They look like 4 or so months.
Look at this one. Look at this.
All right, I'm coming. Then there are more which are a little bit older again, and then we have, oh, look at these cutie pies.
Those are not cute.
Look at these cutie pies.
These are yours.
These are mine.
Yeah.
Oh, hey babies, mommy's here.
Tell her you took our mother away.
Right? These ones, they seem to have been separated from the mom. So these ones are like 2 months. Eh? Recently. Very recently actually. Oh. This is a mother with her children. So these kids, these piglets, are not 2 months old yet. Mkiona mama iko ndani na watoto, then you know that they are yet to be separated, and the piglets are exclusively feeding. So ziko ile side ingine, sisi there is a door, and then there are feeding traps. Uko? Those are water traps. Feeding traps ziko hapa. Oh, okay. These are feeding traps. You see how clean it is? The pigs are very clean animals, you guys. So they are feeding traps, and then they are water traps. Uko?
But how come in the Bible told you?
And then, oh my goodness, hizi zinatoshana panya. Mnaona?
We told you these ones are cuter.
These ones are so tiny. I don't even think they are a month old, and the mom could be. These are 2 weeks old, I'm told. It killed 5. What kind of a horrible mother are you?
It was sleeping on them.
You know, farming is a learning curve, so yeah. But they are so pretty and tiny and breastfeeding. So you have to really feed the mother well with nutrients, with roughage, so that you know digestion and all, and water for fluids, and yeah, so that you can get healthy piglets.
Content creator for God.
The farm that is my mother's farm.
The pig was.
This is napier grass for the cows.
The pig was.
Those ones are overgrown. Eh? That is one of the water reservoirs that my mom has in this farm. She has several because again we live in Bere, and Bere is known for, you know, it's a semi-arid area, so our biggest challenge is water. Otherwise our lands are very fertile. If here politicians kindly bring us farming water, we are not lazy people. Then we have goats. Meh. Me. Kwani mbuzi ni mbili? Got matata. So they are feeding. That is their feeding traps. Huku everything is zero grazed, so we do not have, you know, farm herds or herders going to the fields to graze. She does zero grazing of everything, and then she recycles. There's another goat. Beautiful, beautiful goatie. So we're back, guys. I was not very sure what to do with this video because this is my first video of 2025, and I was thinking, how about we set our resolutions, because my birthday is usually in January, so I usually have the advantage of making my resolutions at the beginning of every year. Like mine is a perfect year. We are the January babies, Naham to Tishi. So anyway, my resolutions, I don't know. I just have very few resolutions for this year. One, I want to read the Bible in depth this year. I think I want to read, at the very least, the New Testament cover to cover. So that is something that I really am looking forward to doing. And then this year I want to take faith jumps. You know, like those jumps or falls that you take and you just conscious that there's a God in heaven that has got you and will catch you. You don't know the outcome of that fall, but you know that you're not going to, hit the floor hard. That's where I'm at. Like, I want to take leaps of faith into this year. I want to do things that I have withheld from doing out of fear. Do things out of faith, as opposed to planning and replanning and unplanning and, all those things. It is good, but then, fear is not of the Lord. Finish up on some of the projects that I didn't finish from the previous year. I have quite some pending work. I have quite some pending assignments that personal assignments that I have carried on from last year. I had hoped that I would, finish up with them, wrap up with them, and, have them ready for you guys, because they are personal projects, but for you, my audience. Oh my goodness, many are the plans of man. I have not been able to do half of what I wanted to do. So I really want to do that by the end of this first quarter. And just stop this procrastinating business. So you guys tell me in the comment section what your new year plans and resolutions are. Mine are just 3 and I am happy with them. If I can do that, then I'll be good to go for this year, and surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives. So I think we end this video here, but we will not just end this video. Alright, we have been running a series, Family Vacation on a Budget. And I am sorry because I had promised some things that I was not able to deliver in the previous video. I had promised you contacts of people who can assist you around Malindi. And of course, we bought gifts and presents for ourselves. So we didn't unpack in the previous video, which I intended to do, but time constraints and the Christmas period, it was just crazy. So I was not able to do that in the previous video, and therefore I want to see whether I can insert that clip here on this video. So it's going to be a bit long, I think, but that is what I want to do, because I want to end that series. I honestly do not want to continue that series.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. as the